You can sit on your back.
Yes, I don't want to get too excited.
They got a window open. You fall out the window. The window's all open.
Oh my god.
That's crazy.
You think like stand up?
I think it's a bad idea. Maybe he said it before, so I think it's a bad idea. Whoa. Already. Didn't even feel like anything. Already so high up. It would be like this. I think it would go, but it would be like trying to pull themselves up. It would be like falling over maybe. I think that's the food part that I went to. That way. When I was there eating my food, talking to you on the phone. I'm like, yeah, I think I'm gonna go to the zoo.
That was the day you went to the zoo? Wait,
I
was it?
think.
No, wasn't that when we went? It was just you and what's the guy's name? Oscar.
No, but I went to the Chattanooga Zoo. I went to the Naples Zoo in Florida.
Oh, that's what I was thinking about. Never mind.
Yeah,
I'm a completely different state.
where I had to call 911 for that lady. It was crazy.
I had ticks on my foot. So I can keep.
Okay, as soon as we get there, that's what we're scouting out. Oh my ears popped. Why don't you never post anything on Snapchat? You
Because
just
it
post.
requires data.
That's the only reason.
And right now, look at all the.
How come TikTok doesn't require apps?
It does. But TikTok, I don't really use it like that.
Do you guys talk about getting unlimited yet? Because that's ridiculous. You guys should get unlimited first before you think about trying to get another house.
We already owe $90 for the gigabytes that we went over. Oh, look, it's going down. The other one.
Did you hear me that? Before you guys get in this house, get unlimited first.
Oh, I didn't hear the house part. No, yeah, I told my mom. I need to pay next month, or this past month's bill first. It's gonna be like $500. Maybe even more.
I want to see.
Yeah,
like
casual.
he was like legit camping.
Like you're going to a business meeting.
You remember this in a business meeting? You were a suit.
I know. You look like I don't know.
At least they do something different. You know, it's like how everyone back in the day used to wear suits and stuff like this nicer. Now it's just casual. So now I actually feel good. Like we're like super steep now. Oh, look at that cat. It almost looks like it looks fake.
Oh my god.
What? Oh no, that right there looks so weird.
Okay, now I see why it would be a bad idea to like sliding down my
God. That's just so cool. Me too. But put my feet like up on here. Oh my god. That looks insane. I need to... Don't drop your phone out that window though.
Oh my god.
This is...
Imagine going down.
Oh my gosh. I'm not ready for all that.
Alright everyone, please stay seated till we come to a complete stop and you'll exit back towards me. As far as leave every 20 minutes up until 6:40. Go back down whenever you'd like. Just hold on to your ticket. Thank you all for riding with us today.
That's like 10 minutes.
Was it? That looks insane.
Alright everyone, exit back this way, please.
But I have to use this thing before I... Yeah, I'll take it off after. Wow, look at that. That's crazy. This legit turned into like steps.
Yeah, I know.
I'm getting hot in here. You not hot? Wow, guys, this is crazy. Oh, ladies first, please. Oh my gosh, this is sketchy. After this, I don't want to do this again. Oh yes, I feel safer.